Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to make a YouTube Shorts video. So this is essentially like a TikTok alternative on YouTube, which I think is actually pretty cool. Hopefully, they're putting a lot of money behind it. So I guess we'll see what happens with it. But in order to upload a YouTube Shorts, you want to make sure that the video that you're making is in vertical format, not in horizontal like this, but in vertical format. And apparently it has to be less than 60 seconds long, but we can basically kind of see what goes on. You don't really even need to know this criteria. All you need to do is download the YouTube app. So download the YouTube app. You can go to your Google Play Store, your App Store, whatever it is. You just want to essentially download the YouTube app, which, to be honest, you probably already have. Now, once you go ahead and have the YouTube app installed, you want to go ahead and click the middle play plus button right here, not the play button. You want to click on the plus button, which is right here. Now, once you do this, you'll see a couple of different options come up. But the second option that you see right here, which says create a post or create a short for that matter, you want to go ahead and click on that. Now, once we click on that, it'll go ahead and take us into this little area. You will have to allow access to both the camera and the microphone. So let's go and do that. Let's go and click allow access to the camera. You want to make sure you click OK right here. And then the microphone, you want to do the same thing. And there we go. You can see this looks very similar to TikTok's UI. You can see, and actually I think this is 30 frames. I thought it was 60 frames per second. But you can see this is essentially what we do. Now, you can see it has a 15-second timer right here. Now, if we click on it, we can make it go up to 60 seconds. Now, most people will probably only need 15 seconds, but you can go ahead and change that by clicking on that 15-second thing. Now, you can also upload a vertical video as well. So make sure it's vertical and not horizontal. You can click upload right here, and just like TikTok, upload your own video as well. Now on the side up there, you can click on the X button to exit out. You can add music, so I'm sure there's some royalty-free music you can add too. You can flip the camera around up in the top right corner. So if you want to flip your camera, you click there. You can go ahead and set a timer. You can change the speed of the video. And you can also add some filters as well down here. So those are the main components. I'm sure a lot of you already know how this works. If you want to make a short, all you have to do is go ahead and click on here just like so. You can zoom in, zoom out, and just like TikTok, you can go ahead and see the duration of the video up here. You saw something to the side, and we can go and figure that out later. You can click back if you want to delete or undo what you just did. So if I go ahead and start recording again, let's say I don't like this, well, I can go ahead and undo it, and it'll go ahead and delete that from the top, as you guys can see. Now, if we want to redo it, we can go and click there, and it'll go ahead and re-add what we just did. And if we're ready, we can go ahead and click on these, check mark button down here. I think you can add filters by going through here. You can add text, you can add timeline, you can add filters, music, whatever you need to do. Whenever you're ready, you want to go and click next, and you will essentially see that you can go ahead and add whatever you want to add, description. You probably need to create a title. There's no description, as you guys can see, at least I don't see so. And that's essentially it. And you can upload this as any other video that you want to do. So that's essentially it. That's how you make a YouTube short. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.